Okay, take a look up in here, see if we have to hit any way up in. Looks like GM put this together very nicely for us. Got a line here, we're going to do this line right through there, and that'll separate from the doorpost. This can stay attached to that panel, and that'll all come off with the front piece that we need to. So it's looking good. So we're going to come down here and down this line. We'll go back to the 1/8 inch drill bit. There's one hiding right there. Good. Now get another drill. You can feel it when it goes through that roller. I'm going to stop very quickly after that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is go up the door post, the windshield post, and I'm going to do a section here. I'm going to take the outside layer, so there's a series of spot welds. I'm going to drill those, just like we did the others, and get that ready to separate. Get this rubber molding out of the way. There's a little bit of windshield urethane. I'm going to use my Leatherman to trim that out. cut it about here. Before I do that, I'm going to take a measurement of the window door, or the window opening, and that way I can give myself a reference to the distance that we need when we go to put the other one back on. So I'll find a point where I want to measure, and I'll mark that for the, for later on, for when we're putting things back together. So, and this is the tape measure is made especially for frame machines. You see the end of it, it's got a little T on it, and that's made to hook into holes and slots and different things. It's kind of handy. So found a hole here where the hood hinge bolts on. We'll hook into that and measure to the top corner. Let's see here, let's find another point. Right there to that tab. That's 95 millimeters. And that is a good reference point. So I'll mark that and I'll scratch that right in with my Leatherman. That gives me a good reference point to go back to. Now, I'm going to cover the door. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut that, and for that I'll get out a little electric grinder. I'm going to change bits on it. Change the end. Take the wire wheel off. I'm going to put in it's a very thin, it's a cutting wheel. It's a metal cutting wheel. I'll put that on. It works real nice. You cut through just the layer that we need and leave everything else. So here we go. Put those safety glasses on. Nicely done. And there is our cut. Cut through all the layers, all the way through. And there's a spot weld, everything down below it we've separated. So here we go.